Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we'll be diving into the details of the best baitcasting fishing reel, the Histarju Baitcasting Fishing Reel. With its advanced features and cutting-edge design, this reel promises to elevate your fishing experience. So, stay tuned for an in-depth review of its features, pros, cons, and our final thoughts. Let's get started. Features: GIU 99 Carbon version. The reel features upgraded Conix carbon fiber polymer composite materials, offering a super lightweight build of just 99 grams while maintaining impressive strength. Wide-angle tapered line guide. The Umeki New Generation Guide ensures smoother line movement, significantly reducing the chances of line tangling or messing up. At 7 Series gear plate. Equipped with a super hard aluminum gear plate, this reel guarantees durability and reliable performance under tough conditions. DS Fish Catch Alarm System. The clear alarm sound system alerts you instantly when there's a catch, enhancing your fishing efficiency. Customized NMB6 semi-ceramic ball bearings. Featuring SiC silicon carbide balls combined with stainless steel inner and outer rings, these bearings are highly precise, resistant to high temperatures, wear, and corrosion, perfect for both freshwater and seawater use. 4 modes dynamic suspension magnetic brake. This advanced braking system provides stability during casting, with a dynamic adjustment that reduces the likelihood of line tangles. Lightweight aluminum spool. A high-density aluminum spool weighs just 1.95 grams and supports ultralight lures of 0.2 tug. Beryllium copper small gear. Combined with the AT7 aluminum gear, the reel boasts a super hard and durable gear system for long-lasting performance. Pros: super lightweight build. At just 99 grams, it's one of the lightest reels available, reducing strain during prolonged use. Enhanced durability. High-quality materials like carbon fiber, beryllium copper, and SiC bearings ensure long-term reliability. Smooth casting. The wide-angle tapered line guide and magnetic brake system improve casting precision and reduce tangles. High-speed performance. The 8.1:1 gear ratio makes it efficient for fast retrievals, especially in competitive settings. Versatile brake system. The adjustable brake levels make it suitable for anglers of all skill levels. Corrosion resistance. Perfect for both freshwater and saltwater environments, thanks to its high temperature and wear-resistant bearings. Cons. Learning curve. Beginners might need some time to master the advanced braking system and fully utilize its features. Limited lure weight compatibility. While it handles ultralight lures well, anglers targeting larger fish might need additional setups. Fish alarm system limitations. The alarm might not be ideal for all fishing conditions, especially in noisy environments. Final thoughts. The Histarju Baitcasting Fishing Reel is a premium choice for anglers who value lightweight design, durability, and advanced functionality. Its innovative features like the dynamic suspension magnetic brake, SiC semi-ceramic bearings, and high-speed gear ratio make it a standout option for competitive and recreational fishing. While the price and advanced features may not appeal to absolute beginners, experienced anglers will appreciate its precision and reliability. If you're looking for a baitcasting reel that combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched performance, the Histarju is worth every penny. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more reviews and updates. Happy fishing!